Viral video has surfaced appearing to show a man deliberately coughing on merchandise in the Boiling Springs Walmart. And now the Spartanburg County Sheriff's Office is investigating this incident. 7 News reporter Henry Coburn joins us with more.
Walmart confirmed with me that the incident took place at the Walmart in Boiling Springs earlier this week. The video speaks for itself. Take a look.
Who did? No, he ain't. Somebody need to call the police on him. They need to call the police on him.
Walmart says the incident happened Sunday. The unidentified man appears in the video to be deliberately coughing on store merchandise without wearing a mask. The full video is nearly 2 minutes long, ending with the man leaving the store and coughing on the security scanner on his way out. So I got reaction from several of you on the video.
Just nasty that he's going around doing that purposely just to harm people. Some people don't have a great immune system to fight this.
Seeing somebody in the Walmart going around coughing can stir up some turmoil.
Думаю, если он больной, пусть дома сидит.
He's saying if he's sick, he should just stay home and not
ходит,
purposely.
пусть не заражает людей.
Yeah, he shouldn't be going out there spreading it on people.
Oh my, they should arrest him. They should arrest him for putting other people in danger. Because, you know, people could die from the COVID-19. If he's spreading COVID-19, people could die, you know, from this bad judgment. And it's just like, looks like he was doing it on purpose.
No arrests were made, but Walmart did involve law enforcement. The Spartanburg County Sheriff's Office is investigating, but because the review is ongoing, the department is not offering details. Walmart said in an emailed statement, quote, "It's unfortunate that a person would behave this way in our store. We appreciate our customers who take the health and safety of others seriously."
For a full look at the video, you can head to our website, WSPA.com. In Boiling Springs, I'm Henry Coburn, 7 News.
And you can also find that video on our Facebook page, WSPA.